Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
During Civil War, the justice count changes every few years. By the start of the Civil War, the number of Supreme Court justices had increased to 9 in order to cover additional circuit courts in the expanding American West.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
2. There haven't always been 9 justices on the court. The U.S. Constitution established the Supreme Court but left it to Congress to decide how many justices should make up the court. 3 years later, in 1869, Congress raised the number of justices to 9, where it has stood ever since.
Take our lead.
As the final arbiter of the law, the court is charged with ensuring the American people the promise of equal justice under law and, thereby, also functions as guardian and interpreter of the Constitution. The Supreme Court is distinctly American in concept and function, as Chief Justice Charles Evans Hughes observed.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.